Look at what we found in the garden. I don't know if this is a heron. I'm not sure. Okay. The kids thought it was a pelican. Okay, this kid here thought it's a pelican. Okay. Tingin ka dito. Sabihin mo, I caught the bird.
I caught the bird.
Okay, ikaw, Erica. Okay.
Erica, I caught the bird.
So we got some fish
I eat the bird.
from the pond. I think this fish is sick.
I eat the bird.
It will be very hard to catch this thing. The dogs ran after it, so I think probably it hurt its wings. It was probably trying to get some fish from my fish pond. Okay, but there. I'm giving you some of my fish. Not the big one though. I'm gonna go to the DNR and check out where we can take this bird, and it would be expensive to take care of it. It's a carnivore. It eats fish. Okay. Hi, baby. You're so scared. It's big. This is a big cage, see? This is a big cage, so it's a big bird. Look at that. Okay. So, I'll be leaving in a while to check out what we can do with you, okay? Bye, baby.